Good evening, dear students. On demand, I am here again with a new video, and this is on note making. So, this is actually earlier this was in the syllabus of 12th class also, but now with the recent pattern, this is included only for 11th class. So, this video is right now dedicated to the students of 11th class. Let's know the definition of note making. What is actually note making? What the note making is actually. Okay. Note making is the practice of recording information captured from other sources. Many times we hear lots of lecture, lots of speeches and debates and articles, and when we need to memorize them, it's not possible for us. So there was a shortcut developed for memorizing or maintaining the records of that particular topic or article or a speech, whatever. So note making was being established. Notes are short written record of facts to aid the memory. It ultimately helps to maintain the records of the facts or truth. Notes are usually taken to record a speech or dictation while listening to it or after reading a book, magazine or article. Okay. Importance of note making. Why note making is important? Why it was being included in the syllabus of senior classes? So this is the importance of note making. These are the points. We can't memorize whatever we read, so we need to summarize important and relevant information. Next one is note making helps anyone who wants to a large piece of information into what? Into a brief, organized and summarized way. It helps the person or the students who want to keep some piece of information in a brief way, in an organized way, or they want to summarize that. Okay. These are the characteristics of good notes. How can we assess that my note making is good one? So these are the characteristics of good notes. That the notes should be short and compact. Okay. Long sentences and long statements are not considered as a part of a good note making. So your sentences should be short and compact. Complete information. Your sentences should be short and compact, but they should deliver complete information. Incomplete information will not help you in getting marks. Next is logical. Your note making or your notes should be logical. And next is understandable. Your notes should be understandable. The examiner should understand the meaning, the hidden meaning or the essence of your notes. He should get to know, she should get to know what you have written in your notes. Okay, dear? Points to remember. These are some points which you need to remember while creating notes. First one is it is an advanced writing skill. You must always keep in your mind that note making is an advanced writing skill. It is an activity which combines many skills. It is an activity which in itself combines many activities, many skills. Like it required good reading and listening skills. You should be a good listener. You should be a good reader. Write only relevant information. Whenever we sit to write or to create notes, we should always keep in our mind that while reading the paragraph, we should have a pencil with us so that we can mark the relevant informations in the paragraph while reading. Information should be in a logical order. The paragraphs which you have selected for writing the notes should be in a sequence, okay? In a logical order, actually. You need not follow the proper sequence of the paragraph, but there should be a logical order. There should be an appropriate title. It is very much important that there should be an appropriate title. Numbering and indentation is very important. Whatever marks, whatever style you have opted, it should be very much clear and in the proper sequence. If you have given a one number to the headings, then all the headings should be accordingly, like 1 heading number 2, heading number 3. Then if you are writing A B C for subheadings, then with all the headings this pattern should go A B C D. And if you are writing Roman numbers for subheadings, then in all the subheadings wherever you will use, you need to follow only Roman numbers. Okay students, don't. Yes, this is important. I have created this slide especially for you guys, so that you should not commit such mistakes, like never use diagrams. You are not supposed to use diagrams while writing notes. Next, avoid using examples. You should not use examples in that. Never begin with verb. The means your sentence should not be an imperative sentence. Okay, don't start your sentence with a verb. Don't repeat any information. Don't try to be fool the examiners by repeating the same information again and again. So don't do this practice. Don't use confusing abbreviations. I have told you in the class the perfect way of abbreviations. So don't try to use confused abbreviation. And what is the format of making the abbreviation? First word, middle word, and the last word. And if the popular words you are using, like doctor, teacher, pollution, professor, so you can use the relevant one or the traditional one. Okay, format. Here is the format. First of all, you will write the title, then main points, that will be heading, subheading, AB, main point, and again the main point means the heading, subheading. Agar, I mean, if in any subheading you are getting subheading, then you can use Roman numbers. Okay. Use abbreviations, short forms, and symbols. You can use these. These can be used. Okay. Symbols, abbreviations, and short forms. This is again the format. First of all, you will write the title. This is the complete format actually. Title, heading, subheading, subheading. Then at the second place, you will create a key to abbreviation where you will write all the words which you have created as abbreviations. And yes, remember one thing, that only 4 to 6 words are to be abbreviated, and you should put the key to abbreviations within the box after completing your notes. And at the last, you will write the summary of the entire notes. And remember, only those lines should be there in the summary which you have used in the notes. Okay, and the word limit for summary is 80 words. Okay, this is the sample of note making which I have pasted here. It is about problems of plenty of news. There is like a flood of news on news channels and newspapers, so this is about, you can go through it. Thanks, have a nice day, enjoy the day. Okay.